Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is May the 3rd, 2018. It is Thursday, and I thought I would just shoot a really fast video. I have some fresh green pepper seeds here that I took out of this green pepper. So you'll just open it up and then you're going to scoop out all of the seeds. Now I did this yesterday and I just let them go overnight and they're pretty dry right now. And I did a little bit of research, and some people say you should dry the seeds out completely. Some people say that you don't need to, and these were gardening websites that I was on yesterday. I just wanted to see what the difference of opinion was. So some gardening places are saying make sure that you dry them out, and some gardening websites said you don't need to. So let's find out today. So I have quite a few here. I've got a little piece of paper towel. I am going to load that into a little container, and now I am just going to start spraying all of the paper. I want to get this nice and wet. Okay, that's good. And for this test, I am just going to use all of these seeds. Just going to get them all over here. So these were the seeds from one green pepper. There were actually more. I threw some of them away for this little test. I think that's good enough. And then, just before we close it up, I'm just going to spray it again. I want to make sure that the seeds get a lot of moisture on them. We want to make sure nice and wet. That's good. And then, I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to fold it over. Just like that. And then a nice gentle tap, just to make sure that everything is nice and come in contact with that paper. That's good. We're going to close it up, and I am using Rubbermaid take-alongs. I love these for this sort of thing. Just close that down, and there we go. So we've now got that locked in. It's May the 3rd. If there's any activity at all within the next 2 weeks, as soon as I see some germination happening, I will come back with a video 2 in this series. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you wish, and if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell that YouTube has implemented. Just give that a little click and you'll be notified in your email each time I upload a brand new video. And yes, if you recognize my voice, I am that guy over on the baking channel, Bake Like a Pro, and I put recipes up there every week. So if you want to check me out there, youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And my Facebook page that goes along with that channel is facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time.